What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JB80 Gaming. JB here, doing a quick video. Well, not a quick video. This definitely ain't gonna be a quick video. But doing a video, I'm gonna see if I can get a noob to pro. A noob to pro. We're gonna see how far we can actually get on this. Just checking out, like I said, trying to do some other games, playing some other stuff. I got all kinds of things going on. If you haven't already, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. All you new people out there, thank you for watching. Be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Leave us a comment. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. We're going to try to do noob to pro. And like I said, we're going to probably zoom through it, but you see right now, we are a noob and we have nothing. So let's go ahead and make this happen and get this going. I'll catch y'all in just a little while. As you can see, there you go. I have no pets established. I have no sabers. If you want to see right over here, let's go over here. As I walk at the speed of death. That's what I'm doing. I'm going the speed of death. Let's go ahead and see here. Classes, none. Sabers, none. DNA, none. So, all right, let's go ahead and make this happen real quick. I'll catch you back in a little while. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to JB80 Gaming. JB here. Yes. We have went from noob all the way to max class, which I hadn't bought it yet. I'm snowman now. I'm about to buy it now. But before we buy that, I want to say thank you for everybody watching. Be sure to smash that like button. Leave me a comment. All you new people out there, hey, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you never miss any giveaways or contests we're having. Which, like tonight, we're giving away some more pets at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on JB80 Gaming and Roblox on Saber Simulator. All right. Let's take a look at this real quick. All right, let's jump over here. Let's go ahead and buy it. And as you can see, I am max Saber right now. I am max Saber. And it took me about 3 hours to do this, 2 hours or something like that to do this. And the longest period of time, which we'll get to that in a minute, we'll explain in a minute. Like you said, there is max Saber. And here is max class. As you can see, we went all the way from noob all the way to max class. And I'll show you how long it took me. There we go. And go ahead and screenshot that, because I will use that as my cover. Sorry for interrupting. And the flash there and a little screen, this and that. But we are max class. There's my battery. And as you can see, Lord of Death, max class. And just to show you some stats on everything. All right. I played for 178 minutes. So there's 60 minutes. 3 times 6 is what? 3 times 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So I played roughly right under 3 hours. Went from noob to max class. Let me see. Total strength 1.7 Ka. Total kills. Boss kills. I killed 24 bosses. Total crown 65.15 S. Total coins 6.105 KK. Eggs hatched, only hatched 5 eggs because I did trade myself. But it took me 3 hours. And really, to be honest with you, out of them 3 hours, the longest part of them 3 hours was the beginning, the first where you can trade. And also to get and putting some codes in to get some charms and to get to get a couple crowns and a little bit of coins, so you pick up speed because you're walking at the speed of death. So the longest period took me that right there. Also whenever here, the longest period of time, you can probably knock off about an hour off that time if I didn't grind to get to island number 6. That took me a little bit of time there, which I found, and I wanted to give some secrets to this. The easiest way I found is to kill the bosses. Get bigger swords, kill the boss, get more points, more strength, more coins, especially with the coin multipliers and all that stuff going on right now. That is the way. So, I want to do that video. I appreciate it. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I did speed through everything except for right here at the end where you did see me go from noob all the way to Lord of Death, which is max class. That's right, and done it under 3 hours. Like I said, the longest period of time was jumping from island to island. That was the longest, trying to get them islands, and also at the beginning walking at the speed of death and going so slow. That's what took the longest. And of course I lagged a bunch of times, so I'm over there and I'm like, I'm lagging. So really, hey, shit, we done it under 3 hours. But anyway, hey, I appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hey, be sure to go to JB80 Gaming group page on Roblox. The link is in the description below. Join that. We're on TikTok also. Go in there and check out some of our short videos. We're just getting that started. We're on Instagram, just getting that started. I got a JB80 Gaming group page on Facebook. You can join that, just getting that started. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. All you new people out there, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and then smash that like button. Remember, not this Friday, but the Friday afterwards, we're giving away a Nintendo Switch, a bunch of Robux gift cards, and all kinds of other stuff. We're having a big 1,000 subscriber party on it, so go ahead, enjoy. And like I said, if you don't watch the whole video, let it play through on repeat. Help me get my hours on here, help me get my watch time. Like Gigi says, if you don't watch the whole thing, go outside, kick a rock, pull a leaf off the tree, do something. Everybody plays Saber. Listen, if you join my group page, go in there, check out our merch, check out my merch. Every piece of merch that is bought, you get 5 double or triple moon pets. So, but anyway, hey, I went through the spiel real quick on that, on everything. But hey, I appreciate you watching. Join me again. Watch the videos again. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. And holler at your boy.